We're here to talk about the operation and control of the KM diesel control panel. You have your battery disconnect key, which you would insert, and you have an e-stop button over here in case you need to shut everything down. Turn the battery disconnect key on, lift up the panel. You'll notice that the KM logo comes up. At this point you will hit the enable switch, which is on. The instructions on the panel are written right here as well. Come over here and touch the screen. Anything that is in yellow you'll be able to switch and manipulate, such as the F. The F is standing for Fahrenheit. Touch the F, it goes to C, standing for Celsius. Come back, we want to be in Fahrenheit, touch that. Temperature settings. You would touch that screen. You can manipulate it by entering the temperature you want here by going to say 250 degrees. And you can see that I'm at 250 degrees. You can also increase by toggling up or decrease by toggling down. Come back over here to the main manual. Time settings. Come over here. This has our 7-day programmable timer. It is set to kick on in 36 hours. Simply touch that. If you want it to turn on in 24 hours, enter 24, come back. Make sure that it is in the enable position, and as well as that your battery has a full charge. Come back to the main menu. The battery voltage. We are at 12.8. You never want to operate your hotbox anything below 12. Your option 1 and option 2 will be for options if you went with work lights on your unit or strobe lights. Can operate independently. To shut down your control panel, hit the disable, turn off your red key. Thank you.